Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the new drag and drop functionality available in Microsoft List. This new reordering functionality by drag and drop will help you and your organization to set up the list item data efficiently. But before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Before we move to the video, here is a short intro. Okay, let me just go and open up the office.com, and from here, from this waffle icon, we can click on the Microsoft lists. To demonstrate this purpose, I am going to display this in this existing list, which is employee data. So when I go into this employee data list, as you can see, there are n number of data available into this. So the first thing what we want to do is when I try to go and change these items, I'm able to do it, but there is a catch. If I go into this sorting and all that stuff, the custom ordering option is available and which is selected. Okay. So if I have any of the other options available, that is title, full name by sort by any other item, then that option of ordering is not going to be available to me. That is something which we have to bear in mind. Okay. But other than that, if I have anything else, let's say I select this custom order option, then I can go and change the ordering of any of the item, and I will also have this little message at the bottom like moved item, the number of my item, right? The other thing is there is multiple select I can do to perform multiple drag and drop of multiple items. Let's these all of these items, let's say these three items, I can go and drag them on the top, right? And I see the message move three items. So now the items has been moved. And if I go and refresh the page, even if the page is refreshed, I see this new ordering here, right? So this is something which we have to bear in mind. So, and one more thing is this is a simple all items view. Let's say I go into the calendar work view. I don't think I have a lot of items in that, but as you can see, I can also go and change these particular items from here as well. The same goes for the day view. If I have any value into it, I can also do that. So this change of items is available in default view. It is also available in the calendar view. It is also available if I go and create, let's say, a board view. Let me give it a name. Board. Okay. Let me choose a column which needs to be organized based on the department. I want to organize my database on the department. So let's wait for it to go and create this particular view. Okay, so now my Kanban view is available. And as you can see, I already have that custom ordering available. It's working like this. So if I go and copy and paste it in here, a drag and drop in here, the items has been moved to accounting, and the same thing goes in here. So this same drag and drop thing also work in the all items view, in the calendar view, or the Kanban view, or gallery view as well. Let me try to go and create a gallery view just to check this. Let me create. So this is a gallery view. So let's say I want to move this item E00671 from here to here. So item is moved and it's available in here. Even if I go and refresh the page now, item is still there, right? Okay. So this is how these new all items and this drag and drop functionality will work for you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of any uploaded new videos. See you on the next one. Bye.